Hello, in this video you will see our journey from the hotel we stayed in over the weekend to Washington DC, from the airport, how we were sitting there and waiting on the airport, and then how we flew to, I cannot pronounce this thing right, but to Raleigh, and then our journey to our house. And the video is mainly about when we enter the house and what the house look like inside and outside. Enjoy it with me, bear with me. I do not have my PC set up, and I have to do everything from the phone, and I'm not used to it. So I'm trying to edit on the phone, and with these thick fingers, it's quite a struggle to do it. So yeah, bear with me, enjoy the video and our journey with us.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God, they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
It is morning, and today is an exciting day because it is our last trip to go to our city where we're supposed to be. And we are ready. We are packed. But what I want to show you is, look what happened when we opened this door. Something we're not used to. Look at this. It's just snow everywhere. Snow everywhere, and it is cold. We are packed. Let's see. Kom ons kyk my skat. Hoe voel dit? Is sag. Jy moet hard praat dat jy dit.
Very soft.
Very soft.
Soft. Okay, now
Yeah, it's soft. Yeah, and even I see the children, they were playing and made some sneeuwmannetjies, small sneeuwmannetjies. Let's see. Yeah, they made some small sneeuwmannetjies here.
first snowman's off the journey.
Yeah, the first snowman of the journey. I wish I could show you how we can play in it.
It's a little bit hard.
Yeah, this one is a little bit harder. You get hard ice and soft ice, soft snow then, I suppose. And I heard they say they analyze the snow actually very deeply, what kind of snow it is, in what state it is. So yeah, let's see, kan jy vang? Gooi, laat ek sien. Daar's hy. Alright, sharp.
Imagine being a child and having this opportunity. That's fantastic. Yours too, yeah. Oh, what else? The other book is done. Ik denk jullie gaan vandaag op vol ijs. Hij heeft tijdelijk buiten gestaan laatst nacht.
Kyk hierdie ene.
Jy kan sien watter karre in die garages gestaan of onder dak en watter nie. Om te dink ons het Vrydag van die raad.
Ja, in die nag. Nou kan ons dit in die dag sien. Dit is dan baie beter hier binne as daar buite.
Maar ek kan voel ek gaan warm kry binne.
Ja.
Tot moet onthou pak het ons paspoort.
Ja.
Ag, jy sien gaan al die baadjies. Ek sê ons moet sien altyd terug as ons ons van tyd Afrika. Almal wat binne kort nou het.
12:38, dis wanneer ons gaan beginne, soos nog 'n uur. Nee, hy het my gesê, ons begin 12. Dis wat die ou my nou gesê het, maar ek dink hy is op baie kloedap. Hy het sommer vir my nie baie kloedap gelyk nie. Hy het gesê 12, maar hier staan dit duidelik, boarding ends.
Dis fyn.
Ons gaan 12:18 begin.
Nog 'n rukkie.
Ja. Boarding begins 12:18, daar sy. Here is the place where we stay. I don't know, they call it something I already forget. But there is our place. That door there, I must look very nice because there's also a door. But this place, like there, is ours. And we are really grateful. We did not expect a place like this. We are really blessed. We thank the Lord for this. This is our place, and look here, we're coming in. There's the stairs where you go. There's a cupboard. Some cupboard. Let me close because it's cold. It's cold. Okay. And then you come in here. We've got a little table. All this furniture, they say it's ours. And they give us some stuff. And we even got phones. Doesn't look like very smart phones, but yeah, it will help. Because my phone's screen is broken anyway. So they give us some Moto G. So I think when it ring, like Lily van die Plaas phone, when it rings, it say, what? Moto? Hello, Moto. But anyway, we went quickly and we go bought this little thing because we don't have any adapters. So we cannot charge our phones. So we just get that one for $10. But this stuff they give it, that is all, they give all this stuff. There's some stuff. Eileen is busy, they give her some food in the fridge. So she's busy packing it out. We've got a stove. There's even a dishwasher here, but there's no microwave here. But he say he will try and give us a microwave. But this is how the place looks. There's the ijskast, the freezer, And yeah, let me show you what, there's some food. Like we are doing the ketogenic, but so a lot of this food will not work for ketogenic, but as we say, we decided not to do ketogenic when we get onto the plane because it would not work. We will do it when we are ready, when we settled in. Oh, Eileen is packing out the stuff already. Some food. So this is a cupboard where you can put food. In Afrikaans, it's a spens. We've got a spens. Okay, let me go around here. Let me keep on the bottom floor. Here is where the heater, it's the heater and the geyser, all the stuff is in here. Okay. I just hope they will keep on working. And this is a toilet. They call it a half bath, but it's just a toilet and a wash basin. And this chair is here. There's a furniture, we've got a couch. No TV yet. There's no TV yet. A little bench. And on the other side, look here. Okay, it's winter now, it's cold. But this is a little patio we have here at the back. Oh, there's a heat pump. Okay. Very nice. Now, we did not expect something like this. So we are very, very grateful. Now, let me go up. Now I'm going to go up with the stairs. Here is a cupboard, some towels. We will have to go through this stuff and see. This looks like some medicine. Antibiotic. Yeah, and this is some medicine. This is almost like an emergency kit. Okay, here we come up with the stairs, then you come here, you turn, and then you've got cupboards here. There's the stairs. I know it's difficult on the photo, on the video. There's a big cupboard here. Big cupboard, they even put some, seems like some soap. But we will explore it as we go, because we just got into this place. Tinus is busy to set up the phones that we got. He's busy to set up the phones. It is pay as you go. Like I see, what network here? Oh, we just don't know what network yet. But there's a bed, a little cupboard. There's his drawer where he can put his clothes. A nice big room. Really big room. And then you got like a walk-through. There's a toilet and a wash basin. Let me stand like this. Behind the door is nothing. Here is the bath. Oh, extractor fan. Okay. I saw this in the hotel as well. So it looks like the small baths is maybe an American thing. Oh, you've got two places where you can switch on the light with the extractor fan that's making a big noise. There's a toilet here. I don't know where you put the light off. Oh, yeah. And the fan as well. There's a wash basin. This tap is leaking. Oh. No, it's leaking. Even there's a mirror. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, they put some stuff here as well. Put some stuff here. And that is the room me and Eileen will sleep in. There's a bed. Even some pillows and beddengoed. It's roughly made, but yeah. It looks like a man did this. If I was say. Let me see, what is here? Oh, it's a opvouwbare bed, but it's strong. I mean, you cannot see now because I must hold the phone. There's no light in here, that's why I put this in here. There's the vent for the heat in the whole place. And there's the cupboard. We already put some stuff in the cupboard. So yeah, that is our place. There's just a little thing I want to show you also. What I really appreciated. Someone, he's a volunteer. They gave us a kind of a pie and a card with it. And they even write a welcome card here. So very nice, and say the state is very nice. Some information there, and I'm sure we will meet them. Okay, this is a long video, but this is our place. What we gonna hire for at least 1 year. So yeah, let's see.